I'm at the Nimhans Convention Center, and the first stall that you hit is by Augmenta Health. Not only is it fun to look at, right from the Thingalings, little souvenirs you can take back, reminding you or affirming specific kinds of mental states of being, but also you have this very educational Maslow's hierarchy meets the Golu or the Gombe Haba. Little trinkets, little reminders of what you're supposed to do at every stage, working from mental health awareness to being actually self-actualized. Now, the best part about this is that one of the books that the practice has started, called the Value Book, is also up there. Simply encouraging journaling, understanding yourself, walking yourself through your moods, and basic tasks you can give yourself as well. The whole thing is absolutely self-help in a way, but also insightful. So I just wanted to say thank you to Augmenta Health for your services in the multiple aspects that it comes in, including Healthy. Take care, everyone, and thank you so much.
Hello, what do you think of the Grolu today?
Oh, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty.
Yeah?
It's like a nice mood lifter. Your eyes immediately open. It's like a lot of thought was put, like everything was carefully curated and arranged. Since we all are psychology students, we saw how the thing was once like a Maslow hierarchy of needs. It's very happy. And certainly a hard idea to come join us. And like even educating people about how they have to self-actualization. And in their own daily life, and also the explanation was amazing. Yeah. I love like object had like its own story and everything and how it connected with us. And I think it's very like nice about the whole society. Yeah, healthy life. Yeah, I think this stall really does give a sensitization to people. And psychology students we love it. I think non-psychology students and parents are children and general cautious. It's because this has to reach the general public more and people have to learn about it. And this stall is doing such a great job at sensitizing and everything. And even the games are so amazing. I feel like I'm excited. Just walking in.
Thank you so much. Okay, so what did you think of our Grolu?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. I like especially the maths now, that new unique kind of presentation. Like very nice. Nicely represented all that stage levels. Very nice.
And do you like how we put every object related to that particular step? Does it make it more relatable? Can you understand and relate?
Yeah. We read it in books. So like right now it's like more visual representation. So we are able to understand it better.
Okay.
So I'm also a teacher psychology business, so I can show my students this. I've taken a picture.
Practically we can show that.
We can practically show it.
Okay, thank you so much for your feedback. So what did you think of Grolu?
So basically I'm here today at Augmenta Health and they have put up this amazing setup which they call a Grolu. So it basically represents the Maslow's hierarchy, the totality, and it's a lovely representation. I as a psychology student appreciate this a lot. The way it has been depicted and each object has its own significance. Like how the house there, boundaries represents your own self-boundaries. You have to create your boundaries to feel safe and secure. It's a very good representation. And yeah, practical learning. It's very nice. Thank you, Augmenta Mental Health, for being here today. Yeah, I learned a lot.